People are calling this the world's best cheeseburger, but I'm gonna put my spin on it and let you know what I think about it. Let's get to cooking. First things first, we have to make the Dijonnaise. Dijionnaise? That's how they say it. Dijonnaise. It's mayonnaise with Dijon mustard. Alright, anywho, mayo. I'm using QP. Little Dijonnaise. Dijon. This is just Dijon. I'm making Dijonnaise. And I'm also using a tiny bit of my buddy Travis's Clark Crew barbecue stone ground mustard. I am making my version of this. I've never had their version, but it's called the best burger in America. And I saw it online and I was like, the bacon I get, the egg I get, but it just looks like a regular burger to me. But you know, I live in the burger capital of the world, so. And yes, Oklahoma is the burger capital of the world. Everybody knows the onion burger is the winner, hands down. A little bit of white wine vinegar. White wine vinegar. I can't even talk today. White wine vinegar. Give it a little mixy mix. Smells good. Maybe this is their secret. It tastes like mayonnaise and mustard. There is supposed to be pepper in here, but I'm gonna use double pepper calico because this is my burger and I'm really making the best burger. Chicago is known for deep dish peaches. It can't be known for burgers too. It's just a rule. Yeah, I think after it sets and melds together, it'll go. All right, let's put this in. All right, so what we have here is 4-ounce burger patties. These are super simple, super easy to make. I just took my burger mold, pressed them in there, put them on parchment paper. You get nice uniform burgers. Thick cut bacon. We are using our brown sugar rub, a little bit of that, and we are gonna rub it with our maple barbecue glaze. That's going on the bacon. This is rice bacon, by the way. I mean, let's just call it spade a spade. If you're using anything other than rice, you better be making it yourself. Because if you're not, it's not bacon. Thinly sliced pickles. These are our dill pickles. A little bit of, don't tell me, losing my brain today. Chives. It's chives. These are the world's smallest chives. Only in Oklahoma. Finely diced red onion, which is purple. We all know it's purple. And eggs. And I got this little egg pan here because I'm trying to step up my game. All right, let's get to cooking. Bacon first. A little bit of our brown sugar rub. I know there's gonna be some of you go, I've never seen that on your website. This is actually in our private community. Kosmos Q Lab, you can go to our website. It's on the very front page. Make sure you follow the instructions. This is the kind of stuff we do every single month. The seasoning. Now right here we got brioche buns. I'm gonna brush it with this right before it's done. Go ahead and brush the bacon down. Eggs looking good. Ooh, come on now. That's what I'm talking about. Get another one going. A little bit of chives. Cheese it up. Perfect. That'll work. Alright, go ahead and get some Dijonnaise on the top. That's a good one. Now, red onion. And it comes with an egg. Alright, so just cut it in half. looks pretty dang good. So let's take a bite. Do I feel like it's best burger in the world quality? No. No, I don't. But the shocker in there is the maple bourbon glaze with the rub on there. That with the Dijonnaise, they do make it a really good burger. So it's a really good burger. I just don't think it's better than an onion burger. That's just what I think. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. And if you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipe. Print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Chicago. All right. Dijionnaise. Dijionnaise. Does it mean all things eggs or some shit? I don't know. Had a little bit of booter on it. Surprise, shorty. Here.